All right, my peoples, we're talking building business credit, leveraging business credit, and today I wanted to give you guys some intel on how I was able to leverage my business credit to pretty much fund this ADU here at one of my real estate projects. So I'm gonna break it down, try to make this real simple. I'm gonna talk a little slow. All right, so one of the things I did was hire a contractor. And I told the contractor specifically that I only wanted to use my business credit card. And if he had the ability to charge my business credit card, he had the job, right? And so I ended up with a business credit card through Chase. Inc. is what they call it. And the guy says, yeah, I'll be able to charge your card, no problem. I said, all right, well, here's another thing I want you to do. I have a business account with HD Supply, and I have business credit there. So all my supplies, whether it's my wood, concrete, doors, you name it, whatever it is that I need for the construction, had a line of credit there. All this is on my business credit. And inside our business credit program, we can show you exactly how to get the same type of vendor account. So I use HD Supply, right? And to summarize this, I said take our business account that we have with HD Supply, and we're going to take this business credit card and we're going to pay you that way, right? So he goes to HD Supply, he buys everything we need material wise, right? They bill me for it. It's a net 30 account, right? I got 30 days to pay off anything that I use over there at HD Supply. So I rack up a $10, $15, $20,000 bill with HD Supply, right? And then I turn around and I pay HD Supply with my business credit card to pay it off, right? So there's a double whammy here that's taking place. The guy says, hey, it's going to cost you, let's say $50,000 to do the ADU when it comes down to labor. I said, it's okay, as long as you use my business credit card. So he says, here's your invoice, here's your bill. I take the business credit card and I pay that guy off. Labor and everything is paid for, supplies is paid for, and then what I do is I turn around and I go pay my business credit card off, and I'm still building business credit. And I can remember recently I got a cash back bonus of like $6,700. $6,700 that I get from using my Inc. business credit card. And guess what? My roof is $8,000, so pretty much that paid for my roof on my ADU. So that's leveraging business credit to build your business credit to take it to the next level.
And this guy over here messing up the video shoot.
So the roof I pretty much got for free thanks to my business credit, right? And I can show you guys exactly how to do the same thing through our business credit builder program and learn how to leverage business credit, build business credit, and maybe you will be able to do a project like so.